Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use steal and rob. Steal focuses on the object or the thing which is taken or stolen. These examples show what I mean. Hey, somebody just stole my phone. My phone is the object. You once stole chocolate from a shop. Chocolate is the object. She has completely stolen my heart. Heart is the thing they have stolen. Rob. Rob focuses on the victim of the crime. The men robbed a bank last night. The bank is the victim. 3 guys robbed me while I was traveling home. Me, I am the victim. She has been robbed 3 times this year. She is the victim. Remember, you can practice these and other grammar points directly with me, Philip, anytime. Visit my website, skypeclass.com, to start your classes. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.